Welcome to Walside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're very delighted to offer this beautiful Mercedes SL 500. It's an R129 series car, finished in Imperial Red with mushroom leather. It's a one owner car, 71,000 miles from new, with the original bill of sale with the car and a full service history, up to 66,000 miles with the supply Mercedes dealer. We'll walk you around the car. We'll just pop the top down now just to show you everything works. The car's got a matching hard top, we'll show you that later, or there will be some photos of it. So there we have the soft top down. Okay. We have done some cosmetic refurbishment to the car, not through corrosion, but the fact that the lacquer was flaking off the car. We have had the diamond cut alloy wheels refurbished as well. The car is almost as brand new condition, inside and out. It really is an iPhone. Okay, so around the car we'll just walk you around and just do some details so you can see how good the car is. The wheels, got new tyres on the back. Paintwork absolutely gleams. Headlight wash was optional at the time. The car is highly specified. It has got rear seats, it's got electric memory seats. I'll show you inside the car. This one is a little bit glaring, detailed shots of the seats. Perforated leather. Heated seats, you see the switch there. This is the left hand front seat, obviously, coming down the sills. Panel. Carpets. This is the passenger front floor pan. As in the back, similar also. Come around the back of the car. In the boot. 6-disc changer. Again, the carpet is perfect. Behind the panel there is a factory windbreak. Underneath there, diamond cut wheel with a very, very good tyre on the Right, driver's seat. Again, electrically operated with memory. Bolsters. There's no wear. Carpets in lovely condition. They look like new. See the mileage perhaps, 71,000. Door card, the door shuts, all perfect. You good? I'll just show you under the bonnet. .5 litre V8. Lovely detailing. bonnet pad in perfect condition. So that's it. So there we have it. Mercedes 500 SL, 1997, 71,000 miles, one owner, full service history with many extras. Cost new in 1997, £86,000. If you're interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or go on our website walkaround.co.uk. Okay, we're just going to take you underneath this car to show you how nicely the car is detailed. That's underneath the front bumper. I'll go down the floor area now. Floor's all in lovely condition. To the offside rear. Looking down the sills, which is on the ramp for ease, obviously. Coming up the near side now, the floors, the exhaust there, onto the sills, and the back bumper. I'm sure you get the picture by now. We'll just drop the ramp just to let you have a look under the wheel arches. The wheels have been freshly diamond cut. Near side front wheel arch, looking down the car. Paint looks great. Blemish free. Near side arch. Rear. It's a little bit shadowy. You can see there's zero corrosion anywhere. Coming down to the driver's side, and finally the front. So I'm sure you get the idea of the standard of this car by now. So that's the underneath of the car. We'll take you for a run down the road in it, show you how well it goes shortly. Okay, here's the paperwork with this 500 SL. Loads of old MOTs. Service receipts, mainly from Mercedes. There's the data card there, the original data card showing the options, and also the original bill of sale there when the car was new, for the grand sum of £86,310. Okay, V5s, so the old V5s there as well. You'll see there, no former keepers. Service book here. The handbooks and spare keys are there, obviously, but the service book, as you flick back, MOT, service stamps from supply Mercedes dealer up to 66,000 miles. So all in all, lovely package. Give us a call on 01507 606 725 or walkaround.co.uk. Thank you. Okay, we'll just give you a buzz up the road in this SL500. Show you it goes as well as it looks. Unfortunately, we've got to have the soft top up because it's so windy and you won't hear anything. Okay, 71,000 miles as we've said. Beautiful condition inside and out. It's got 2-stage heated seats, electric mirrors, another rare factory option. It's got electronic damper control there, climate control, CD changer. No warning lights on the dashboard. The hood works perfectly. The condition of the hood is original one. It's very, very clear. No cracks on the plastic. On the hood lining in beige is in perfect condition. Okay. Dead straight ahead now, sort of 50 mile an hour. The car's got a cruise control with a speed limiter. No creaks and rattles. Hard pressed to find a better car than this. Okay, 5 litre V8, so plenty of power. We'll just get around this roundabout and just open up a little bit. Seamlessly up to the speed limit. Again, straight ahead, on braking, no judder. The discs have been replaced fairly recently according to the huge history file which is with the car. So if you're after one of these cars which is ready to show and enjoy, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or look at all the photos on the website walkaround.co.uk. Thank you.